Welcome everyone, and today I'm going to show you where I put my winch on my Bronco, where I did it, because I don't like the front with the protect bar on it, so I modified it. I reused these two pieces from this bar. I changed it, so I customized it, I paint it, so I have the two pieces in yellow, just like properly, just like the body, and put the winch inside it, so it's very clear too if you want to go down somewhere or get up. So, and also you can easy on the take on the winch here on the front, you put your finger. I will show you with the camera, with your finger here and up, you can pull it out easily. So now I cannot go back because I don't put battery in it, but I will show you how I did it inside too. So you can see here I put the winch. I take the front bumper, like protection bar, where you have to put your winch on it. I cut it, I modified it, that I have just the piece from where you have to put your winch on it. I have it now here inside too. Before you put your winch on it, I make some modified also on this plate. I cut it so I have room for the winch, put it a little bit deeper, and also the room for the body, so I don't touch the body also. When this piece is on your front bumper, I will say, after that you can put your winch and screw it on it. And also before you do that, I make some holes left, right, and then I make it bigger in the middle, and then after that I put this plastic aluminium look plate there was before on the other. I put it here, makes a little bit cleaner too. Then I put, so the cable from the winch, it comes after, not on the front. It's turned back on the winch again, up and down, the same thing. Because if you pull it, you see the winch don't move, so it's very strong on the front, you know what I mean? Because then you have the risk that you pull it off. Not with this, so you can put many force on it, it don't will move. Very easy. And all the rest, yeah, from the cables you come back to where you have to put it in it. That is why I did it for my winch, because I don't like it on the outside. It's not just like the Defender or so, because I did the same thing TRX-6. So yeah, I hope you like what I share, hope you enjoyed it. Any question, or if you want to know more, let me down below in the comments, and also if you like it, tell me it. Thank you for watching RCVHX22. Don't forget to like if you like it, subscribe if you're new, and share this video with friends if you like to share it. So thank you for the support, watching. Bye bye everyone, peace.